Okay, this one they're asking us to calculate without using a calculator. Now the key part is when we multiply by powers of 10, we are shifting the decimal point. So for the first one, it's 10 to the power of 2. That means I'm moving the decimal 2 places to the right. So right, if I move it once, twice, it ends up there. So it's 659.01. This one I'm moving it 7 places, right? So I move it once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So I have to fill in 1, 2, 3 zeros there. So it becomes 6, 8, 9, 3, right? 0, 0, 0, and now I just write the commas in there. So it's 6,893,000. The next one, I'm moving it 4 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 2 zeros in there. So it's 58600, and then the comma is after 58,000. And the last one is 10 to the third. Again, these are all positive exponents, 10 to the third. So I'm moving it to the right. So 1, 2, 3. So it becomes 92. And we're done. Again, scientific notation or powers of 10, we're just moving the decimal point to the right or the left.